Ooh, I'm down on my back. I have not gone through this opening yet because you see this other insulation is folding down. I can push that up, put another wire thing over in here. But you see this air conditioning Y. See, there's the main trunk, and then it Ys this way in that direction, and see how this insulation is pulled down. You might be wondering what happened there. See, the Y is just a galvanized Y, and then they wrap it with insulation. Well, a rat probably reached up as high as he could, and he started pulling the insulation down. So see, that there needs to be rewrapped, because your hot air comes right through that, and there's no insulation around it to keep it, so you could lose a little bit of your heat through that Y. And what I can do, see how thick this is? It's not very thick, and it's only about maybe, I don't know, 10 to 12 inches wide, and it comes in a roll, and then you wrap that around. Well, I don't have any of that, and I'm not going to buy any. So I can take my insulation way over there, the piece that I took down, I can kind of peel off a couple strips, and then I can rewrap this, okay, using that insulation. And then I just take nails, like galvanized, not galvanized, but just sinkers, 16D sinkers, or galvanized 16 penny nails, and I just use that like a needle and kind of thread it, and that'll kind of hold everything together. And I can do that a couple times, maybe up towards the top, overlap that, and then I can thread that together, and that's how you do that. You don't have to run duct tape over it. You don't have to run a strap, a zip tie, because maybe I don't have any zip ties that are, 1.5 feet long or longer, and I don't want to have to go to the store and buy some. I can just do it with some nails. So that's what I'll have to do over there. I see lots of times underneath houses don't look like this. Maybe there's only enough room like that. You got to crawl on your belly or on your side, and it doesn't. Lots of places don't have lights, so I'm glad that they installed a light switch. When this house was new, it was nice and easy to run the electrical for it and to run the wire up here and to put a light up here. They could have easily have extended and put another light like this, okay, like this type. They could have put one down there if they wanted to, but something is better than nothing.